using it for my students online, so I actually want to upload it to my YouTube so that others who are looking for videos can click and watch the video instead of having it downloaded and sent to them via I'm wasting a lot of data. They can just use this the link to continue to revise the lesson, and that's so. Now I've already put this. It was here before, so it was here, so I actually drag it and drop it here so that I can have this place for myself. So I'm gonna take off all these things and show you how I actually did everything. So let me just pick everything, take them away, and this one too. So you can see I just highlight. If I click this now, it will leave this on, so I will just highlight everything and take everything at once. So now what I want to do is I want to design all this stuff. So there are a couple of ways to do it. So you can Figma even have some imaginary lines that you can use to give some to have perfect lines and perfect position. So but here I'll be using a rectangle. So you can see there are some space around this stuff, like I think is with Bootstrap. So I designed it with Bootstrap. I just pick a template and edited it. So there's some space around it, like a container, Bootstrap container class. So I will actually do that. So and move it up a bit. So I'm doing this so that I can have a perfect shape for this stuff. The one at the side, at right, for the two sides. So now we give it a fill of white. So this, since it's already highlighted, so this color I will just give it white. So to see it properly, I can give it a stroke so that I see what I'm doing. I just click on this plus sign. Put the stroke there. No, let me click again. Alright, you can see the stroke is there, so I can easily see what I'm trying to design. So now I can go to my text and type what is there. Wondering what the data collection is, so I can put that in here. So I can highlight it, Control A and Control B to make it bold, and I can let me put this on and capitalize it. So I've achieved this. So again I can come here, but I don't have time to type all this, so I'll just go online to get some dummy text. So let me move this a bit here. So let me go online to get some dummy text. So just say dummy text. So this one is Lorem Ipsum is very popular dummy text. So I can just pick from here because it's too much to take everything here for what I'm designing. So I'll pick it here, I'll copy it and take it away. That's all I need to do. And come to text again and just paste it. So you can see it's a bit long. So what I will do is let me set it. So Control A again. I'll click on text again so that I can start splitting them. So that's what I need. So then I can come again to type want to know more, learn more. So that learn more will be like a link. So type that one. So now this learn more, I can actually give it different field. It's not very easy to do that. I can just click on blue. As you can see, blue. It is blue, and I can bold it. So, and then let me drag it to this place. You can see Flutter is actually giving me the, you can see the red line to perfect the line. So now I can actually bring an image. I can import or just drag and drop. So let me look for an image. I don't want to put the mask, so let me come to download. I have some images here. Now I can just use the same image. Let me just, since this is for data, let me use something that can like buildings, like what I use there. Alright, so let me pick this building and drop it here. So I can actually resize it. So since you can see the design here is at the same what's it, so Figma will do that for me. So you can see it's getting the you can see, so telling me that, so I can do something like, yeah, so I can just, like, if you look at, you can see this space, so I can still reduce the size a bit. I can reduce it a bit if I feel like. So I can come here to say small. So I'll just, so you can see it's now smaller, and I can do the same for this one. So, and bring it up a bit. Alright, so I can give this one some let me give it large, so it makes sense now. So let me bring this down a bit. Yeah, so now this image I can reduce it, bring it, let it become so now I can now click on this and do something like, so that I have it perfect, so it doesn't take off space, so that I'll be able to use this space. So now I can drag everything up a bit. Yeah, so I'm having more space at the bottom. So now I will have to remove the outline so that it doesn't look like. So I will just click on this thing and remove the stroke. Just click on this arrow and that's done. So I think the space, let me add to the space. Let me Ctrl Z it. Sorry for. So what we do here is I will highlight everything again so I can pick them, drag it a bit. Yeah. Okay. So I need footer. So let me make a rectangle, and then yeah. Okay. So yeah, so I can just do that. So rectangle, I want to make it gradients just like this too. So like this let me add to the gradient so that the gradient is clearer. You can see it says gradient. So what I do is I can, so that's yeah. So you can see that we have different, this is the color, and the color is a bit lighter. So I want to do the same thing for this one. So I want to say, I want to pick gradients, and this first can be diva. I can just use a color from here that is very, very deep, and the second can just be like gray as it is. So I will just drag it towards, so that yeah. And if you look at it, you see it's having the gradients stuff here. So it's having the gradient feature. So I can just type outside the uppercase. So all right reserved. So this one I can control A. I can first reduce it a bit to medium, and I can control A it and control B to no, before that let me change the field to white, so that's okay, because it's coming inside a black background, so a deeper background. So I can just control A. Let me take it there first. Yes, and I can control it and control B to make it bold. And so I believe we actually achieved it just like we did there. So let me take this up a bit. Yeah, so that's just for now. So I hope you enjoy it. So you can watch my previous video to learn how I started this thing, and you can still watch some the next video coming up for mobile. I will design this thing for mobile. So I hope you enjoy it. So just practice, and you soon perfect it. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you. Bye.